Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Sofia and I'll be guiding you in this video. So today we're going to do the timeline algorithm, and this algorithm helps structure goals, visualize the path to achieve them, and activate inner resources. So the first thing we do is draw our timeline. We start from the left bottom corner and work our way up to the right corner. I did not do it in this video, but you should write the current date on the bottom left and then your target date up on the right. It can be a week, a month, a year, and etc. And remember to round off the sharp edges on your timeline. So you want to choose a goal that you want to achieve in this timeline, and then what you do is you think about what steps you have to go through to get to your goal. So for example, in my case, I want to go to the university. That's my goal. So my first circle is where I am right now, my current state. My next circle is finishing school. And then my third step is choose the university and give in the documents that I need and try to get in. My fourth circle is my results. So getting admitted to the university I want to go to. And that is pretty much it. And now we round off any sharp edges. If you didn't know, sharp edges represents conflicts and chaos, so by rounding them off we create balance and harmony. After that we create networks, so we create a lot of neural lines and we round them off as well. Take your time to round off all the sharp edges and try to notice or acknowledge how calm or what feeling goes through your mind when you do this. So yeah. And after this, you color in the circles as you want. So for example, you can see here I did my goal in yellow, and you can do whatever color you feel is connected to that goal. So every circle has something that it represents. So color it with the color you associate it with. So the last step you do is make some energy lines. So we take a red marker, as I'm showing here, and we just let them flow through the timeline. You can make 1 to 3 lines, that's what I recommend. And they represent motivation and energy boost. And then we're pretty much done. This method not only helps visualize the path to the goal, but also reduces fear of the unknown and uncovers inner resources and strengthens motivation. We repeat this algorithm whenever we can and feel like it, to the point where we feel like going deeper into the resources or want to try another algorithm. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope to see you in another one. And yeah, goodbye.